welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be doing the classic versus video of our Ipsy Glam Bag. This is for January 2024, and we're going to be comparing it to the Macys Beauty Box for January 2024. So if you guys have never seen this versus video before, these are very similar beauty boxes, and honestly, it's just really fun to compare them every month. So we're going to open them up today. We're going to see what's inside and see what January looks like. Now, I do have to give Ipsy major props this month because this is the earliest that I've received my Ipsy Glam Bag in a long time, you guys. So Macy's usually arrives about the 10th of every month for me. Like, they're usually on time with shipping. Ipsy is... you know, they vary. They sometimes are early, sometimes they're late, but it seems like the last few months, I get it closer to the 30th every single month. But this month, it's super early. So already I'm like, hey, good job, Ipsy. Now, of course, if you guys are interested in purchasing either of these subscriptions, I will be posting links down below for you. So we're gonna look at our January 2024 Ipsy Glam Bag. The theme that we have is Glow Your Soul. One thing that I prefer with Ipsy over Macy's is they typically will send you a card that talks about all of your products inside. What I like about this is that it's right there. Macy's will do this, but it's a digital format, so you gotta scan it and you gotta look it up. And I like having the paper version. So here is our gorgeous glam bag. Oh my gosh, it's better in person. I put up a poll for this glam bag to see what you guys thought, and we had more yeses than we had nos. So I will take it that we all like this bag this month. It's so cute. So these are sequins and they are all stitched on, so it's not glitter. So it's not gonna fall off. They're gonna stay in place, not get all over your hands. And it's got a it's like a fuzzy fabric that they used for the purple. So it feels almost like a cloud. Like, it gives me cotton candy vibes, but the sequins are so cute. You've got this silver zipper up here with the Ipsy charm. I mean, you guys, I love this. Like, you have no idea. This is one of the best glam bags I have seen in forever. Like, this is the best in the last 6 months for me. It's gonna be pretty tough to beat this as the free item, but Macy's does offer a free item every month, so we will get there. First up in my bag, I have First Aid Beauty. This is their deep cleanser. This cleanser actually features red clay as one of its ingredients in this. Now, First Aid Beauty makes a few different cleansers out there, so this one is unique because of the red clay. Clay is a great natural ingredient that will help to draw out impurities to the surface. So if you have anything deep in your pores, it will actually help to bring it up, and that way you can get rid of it then. The only thing you have to be careful with clay is if you use too much, it can dry your skin out, is the only thing. But if you use a moisturizer, you shouldn't have a problem, so it should be great. But I do like, we have a deluxe size here, lots of product to try out. It says that it's $24 for the full-size version if you were going to purchase it. It also states that it has rosemary inside of it and antioxidants that will help to smooth out your skin. I like it, good brand, I'll take it. Next item is from Lauren's. This is the Vanilla Almond Body Lotion. Ooh, I will take this right now. You guys, ever since these massive snowstorms came through, like, we just got dumped on here, by the way, but it is so much drier than ever before. I mean, I thought it was dry before the snow hit, and now the snow is here. And you would think, being surrounded by this much, you know, water, it wouldn't be this dry, but it is so dry out. My house one day, I woke up and it said it was 30% humidity, and I was like, oh my gosh, no wonder why my skin is so itchy. So this could not have come at a better time, but this is a body lotion, 30 ml or an ounce, and it's almond scented, which I love almond scented things. This is a brand that I don't know, but I will take it right now. Like, I'm desperate for hydration. It says it's a lightweight lotion that has vitamin E, shea butters, coconut oils in it, and licorice root extract. This will help to calm down any inflammation, and it says it smells delicious like vanilla almond cookies. The full-size bottle retails for $20. However, this is our deluxe sample, but I love it. This is going very well, Ipsy. I'm impressed. Next item is from Ditto. This is their Lasting Makeup Fix Mist. So it is a setting mist, and it says voila. So I love the shape of this. It's super cute. The only thing is you would have to hold it up like this all the time. Otherwise, like, Like, it doesn't stand up on its own. You know what I mean? So super cute, but it is a little funky shape. This one is 30 mil or an ounce again. Like, you guys, I feel like Ipsy has been listening. I've been saying forever, we just need enough product to actually be able to try it out. This will do that. So it also has hyaluronic acid and glycerin in it, which will help to give you hydration back to your skin once you spray it on. But it says it will lock in your makeup for day and night, and it will be refreshing to use. $19 is how much it retails for the full-size bottle. I don't know this brand either, so that's the only thing that I would review on, but like, honestly, I'm okay with that because they're good sizes. We also have a liner in here. What is this though? An eyeliner. It's called the Island Eyeliner from the YC collection. Oh, okay. So here's what it looks like. Is this full size? I would think it'd be full size, right? So yes, so this is a full-size eyeliner. It's $20, and it says that this gel eyeliner is ahead of its time. It's a smooth formula that will give you a plum look, and it will transform into different shades depending on the lighting. So it's a duochrome? Say no more, we have to open this. You know, when it's something like this is sealed and it's just black, I won't always open it because I can donate this to a women's shelter. I mean, I have so many eyeliners, I don't need that many more. But when it's a different color, now I want to open it and see it. But the thing is that I can't donate these once I take the seals off or once they're swatched or anything like that. So sometimes I don't swatch on my channel only because I figure why waste the product, especially if it's just going to be a black eyeliner. I mean, we all know what those look like. But because this is supposed to change colors, now I have to see this. So it looks like a purple color. It says it's a gel eyeliner, so this is what it looks like when you open up the tube. Let's do a swatch and see. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, it looks purple. It does have, oh, I can see it, it's pink. So it's got like a duochrome where there's a pink shift in it, but it's not a lot. I mean, it's very subtle. So I mean, it's a gorgeous purple liner. I do love the way it looks. I will use this just because it's fun and it's something different. As far as it changing into different colors though, I don't know if it's that great. But still, to have a full-size product, that's awesome. Last item we're gonna look at is the item that I chose for my glam bag. So once a month, you are able to make a choice with your Ipsy bag and choose one of your products. That is one thing that Ipsy offers that I love and Macys does not offer. Macys does not have any customization. You just take what they give you. So I went with a palette. It's a full-size palette. And when I saw this as one of my choice options, I was like, well, duh, I'm gonna take this. So this is from Lucky Chick. It's called Daydreams, and there are 9 shadows inside of this palette. If you were gonna buy this, it comes in at $20 for it. It looks like there are mattes and shimmers inside of this, and I think that might be a pressed glitter in the center. But you guys, we got a full-size palette in our Ipsy Glam Bag. I think that's awesome. I do think the colors, you know, are very neutral, very safe. But still, I have to be amazed here that there are 2 full-size products inside of my Ipsy bag this month. Honestly, this bag is amazing. I will use everything inside of this one. I'm so happy with this glam bag today. I love the way it looks. I love that we have 2 full-size products. I love that I've got like the body lotion that smells wonderful. We've got the setting mist. They're large sizes. I am so happy with this. Best one we've had in a while. Next up is our Macys Beauty Box for January. Now this subscription is $15 a month, and like I mentioned, they will send you beauty products inside. If you sign up using my link right now, you will be enrolled for next month's box. So they always ship out the month after you sign up. So if you sign up in January, you'll receive the February box. I feel like Ipsy gave Macys a run for their money though this month. So this is the digital card that you can scan, and it will tell you about the products inside of your Macys box. The theme is Winter Beauty Wonderland. Hey, you guys, do you remember this? Because I'm pretty sure I remember this. Now, I may be getting my boxes confused here, but I am pretty dang sure this is from the Macy's Advent calendar that I unboxed. And the reason why this is significant is because when I opened up that Advent, I was really upset with a bunch of different things with it. Because one, I felt like it was expensive for what you were getting. But I made a comment in the video that I said, what do you want to bet? They're going to have some of these left over, and they're going to take the items out of the Advent and start putting them in the subscription box, which their subscription box at $15 a month, this is totally worth it. But this is from, oh my gosh, I would bet money this is from the Advent. It's called the Lovery Gold Bath Bomb, and it's lavender scented. And this, I swear to God, this was in the Advent calendar, and now it's in the beauty box. I knew that's what they were gonna do. So this is my point, is the Advent, if you can get it on sale or clearance, it's a great deal, but their full price, it's just not worth it, especially when they're gonna put it in a $15 subscription box. Next item that we have in here is Avaya? I don't know this one. Daily Essentials Deep Cleansing Exfoliating Scrub. This is honey with antioxidants, and it says it's going to give you moisture and improve texture. 1 ounce or 30 ml. It's cruelty-free, and it is a scrub that you can use all over to break down any bumps or texture that you might have. I like it. We also have from Belief. Okay, you guys, Belief is one of my favorite brands ever. This is the Aqua Bomb Hydrating Body Moisturizer. Now, if you want a really great hydrating brand, this is it. I use their face moisturizer all of the time. This one is the body moisturizer. It's 30 ml or 1 ounce, so it is just travel size. But I feel like it does a great job of giving you hydration back to your skin. You know, with brands like these, that is the one thing Macy's has a leg up on Ipsy on. Next up, we have Kapari in here, and it is the Ultra Restore Body Butter with hyaluronic acid. This is 1 ounce or 30 ml, so again, really great deluxe size. You can try this out. I love that I'm getting body butters right now because I need that hydration. But hyaluronic acid is great for your skin. Not only does it give you the hydration, but it can also help to plump and revitalize your skin as well. So this has prickly pear and coconut oil in it to give it that really fresh scent. Our fifth item is from Clarence, and this is the Cryo Flash Cream Mask. It is 8 ml. Is this for your eyes? I want to see here. It says it's going to tighten, firm, and glow. It is a rejuvenating cream mask inspired by cold-based aesthetics. Avoid the eye area. Okay, so definitely not for the eyes. Don't listen to me on that one. This one is for everywhere but the eyes. And then it's supposed to be this mask that's going to firm and tighten and glow. You know, I thought it was for the eyes because it was so small. I mean, think about this. If you're putting it on as a mask, there's not a lot here. At 8 ml of product, that is not a lot to cover. I mean, half of my face is going to be tightened and the other half is still going to sag. But I do think this is a really great brand. So those are the 5 items inside of the Macy's box. Now I have the free bonus item that has been included for us this month in January, which is going to be a mask. These are hand masks from Tony Moly, and they are ginger snap scented. But you'll have 2 gloves in here. And essentially what you do is just put your hand into the glove and the product is already in there. It gives you hydration back to your hands. It's great if you have really dry skin. I love hand and foot masks. They're so good. So I don't mind getting this as a free bonus item. I do think, you know, of the 2, I think the Ipsy Glam Bag is way cuter. I like it way better. So I would give the point to them. However, I do know some of my subscribers are like, I have enough bags. I would rather go with this. So I do think they're both good free items for January. But Macy's is not finished. So also in the month of January, you will receive 2 fragrance samples. This is one thing that they do that kind of gives them an edge over Ipsy. They usually will send 2 fragrance samples every single month. Now, occasionally they don't do that, but for the most part, that's what they will include. So the first one is from Prada. They're all going to be the sample cards, so it's just 1.2 ml of fragrance. It's not a lot, but it is a sample. You can try it out, see what you think of it. The other one is from Versace, and it is the Dylan Purple perfume. I don't know this one. I don't even think I've seen this in stores. It says it's orange, freesia, and cedarwood. Oh, well, That looks interesting, but yeah, I don't know this one at all. So what do we think? Did Ipsy win or did Macy's win? I gotta tell you guys, this was an excellent battle because I think they're both really good boxes, but I'm gonna make Ipsy the winner this month, you guys. I really am. Partially because the bath bomb, I don't know, it's not as exciting of a product, especially knowing that it came from the Advent. I just don't think it's as great as some of the other products that we had with Ipsy, and that's part of the 5 that they were including. I do think Macy's is great that you get the extra fragrance samples in there. I also think Macy's gives you more expensive brand names, but in terms of sizes, Ipsy had larger sizes this month. I had more product with Ipsy than I did Macy's. I just think Ipsy did a really great job this month that I think they won. I think they did a great job. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think and who do you think won for the best beauty box this month. Again, if you're interested in purchasing either of these, I do have links listed down below for you guys and you can get your very own Ipsy or Macys box. So until next time, beauties, have a great day and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!